Hello everybody, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters. A few people have asked me about doing dioramas, and I thought I would do a quick video on the progress of a diorama that I'm making called Clearing the Road. It's a Meng D9 Caterpillar, Israeli, about to clear a suspicious truck on an Israeli road. The truck is also Meng, and I plan to add a Meng bomb disposal team as well. I started this before YouTube, so sorry I have no video on the build itself, but thanks for watching, and we've got more build videos on their way.